I'm Brian from Additive Making, and today's video I'll be going over the Honeycomb wall. It has been a project that I've been working on for a good while, probably I think I started a year ago, and it started out as like this pretty small, not very good. I was using the Mark III size model because I had the Mark III at the time, and I printed 6 frames to start, and that was my first honeycomb wall. I didn't add too much other than a few build plate holders, which I've kept, and just a couple of small things. And over time, I added more and more, and I started out just with white because I had a kilogram of white white PETG, and so I printed it in white. But then when I got black PETG, I realized I wanted to do a black honeycomb wall, and so from there I printed with black, and I think when I first did it, I did a ring of black around white, and then after some redoing, and when I got more filament, I went to the line of black and a line of white, or 2 lines of black and 1 line of white. And that has been how I've done it. I would like to do all black, but I've done quite a few frames with white, so it's a little too late to stop. And so yeah, we'll go on to the tour. So here we have the total wall. In case you're wondering, my Mark 3.5, I'm waiting for some parts, so it's still a little under the weather, but we'll start with the left side. So here I have a quick swappable paper towel holder, which has come in handy so often. And then my DJI Mini 2 mount. I designed this. I have this model on printables, but I remixed it from someone else. I have my batteries hanging up, and then a Raspberry Pi holder, and I used these clips, which are also on my printables, which is remixed from someone else. And then I have my Prusa, or my bed holders for my Prusa, and then I have kind of just matched stuff, my little tape and tools. Then I've got a battery holder. I have it close to the door because my family likes to take batteries, which is why the AA slot isn't open. But I really like this design because it takes, it prints like in flat pieces and you assemble it. And then here, my Tis But a Scratch. It's from the movie, I forgot the movie name, but it's from a movie. And then here I've got a scraper holder. It holds the scraper and then these little blades. And there's just some in there, kind of hard to see. But yeah, that has come in handy because of the PEI sheets, and I would very much like to not ruin them. Here I have my Prusa, and you may have noticed this in the thumbnail of one of the articles from when Printed Solid worked with Prusa. I actually got this from Printed Solid at one of their vendor booths at a competition I went to, and they gave me this along with a roll of their Jessie PLA, which has been nice. And then below here I have some Formlabs sample part boxes, just because I've ordered quite a few of those. And so I have RFID tags for the A1 that I've been working on, honeycomb parts, just little pieces, glue, more honeycomb parts, and then these boxes have got little wires and stuff, and then drone parts, and then name tags that I made. Down here I have some angle pieces and then SD cards and my A1 nozzles, then my A1 parts. This is isopropyl alcohol for the beds, and then I have my nozzle holders, and it's gonna be for my E3D Revo, which I'm waiting for right now. And then safety glasses holder. These are for benchies, but they fall off so much that I just haven't put them on yet. And then this isn't part of it, but I just have my A1 holder. And that is my honeycomb wall. I think my biggest recommendation is to print build plate holders, because like they take up so much like horizontal space that you can make them take up vertical space instead, and they just work so much better. And then like adapting stuff like this, well actually, oh yeah, so this is Gridfinity, but this, I just had a ton of these boxes and they're kind of the perfect size, so I designed it around that. And yeah, I mean, like upgrading over time is the biggest thing, because my plan is to expand it out like to here, and maybe someday expand it down here. I would expand it up, but the the spool wall, or the rep rack, is up there, which I have made, and it's actually super nice. I used to have some boxes that were up here, because they fit filament boxes, and I use those for a good storage solution. But like, it's worked amazing. And yeah, there's my honeycomb wall. Thanks for watching. Come back next time for more of Additive Makers.